Can someone please do the intro?
Hello, my name is Abdul Hadim Abdul Hafiz. My metric number is 188510.
Right, my name is Muhammad Zuhair bin Suhaini, 188462.
My name is Muhammad Zafadli bin Siddiq. My metric number is 187287.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Muizuddin. My metric number is 187873.
My name is Ahmad Muzani bin Ahmad Nazri, matrix number 189014.
My name is Fazila. My matrix number 190243.
Okay, so today what are we going to discuss?
I think tonight we want to do reflection, right?
Reflection, yeah.
About what?
About the interview, the past interview that we
You
made.
did interview
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Okay. From our interview, me and Fazila at library, we got some answer that maybe can become our
Lesson.
intervention, right? Okay, our activity is about study at library, right? So most of the student in UPN love to study at library because they want a quiet place, comfortable places, and they usually get more references at the library, and they love library because the air conditioning. Fazila, you want to up our interview just now?
I think their answer is quite similar because most of them spend their time after class. After class means that they end the class at 5 and they directly go to the library. And the answer are also the same when we ask about what they why they choose to study there, and the answer is quite similar, I think, for our respondent.
Air conditioner.
Yeah, it's quite cool there, and
So you
quite
mean,
places, plus they have more references.
like if they are studying at the library because of the place is very conducive for them to learn.
And another question that we asked them, why they choose study beside of playing sport, because they lack of time, they had enough time to play sport, and they prefer to study before the test so that the test mark can be higher than another person.
Besides that, their course also need them to have more reading and find more sources of information.
That's perfect.
I think what they did is so incredible because to have a strength to go to library and study is a big effort to do, especially for a student. In this young age, we always want to play, right? But they did such a good job.
Yeah, like us, the computer students, we don't usually go to library. We just
Search the internet actually. We only search the internet.
No, but the internet at UPM is not quite good. So
Actually, it's very good.
Maybe
I think
sometimes.
it depends on college.
I think it depends on college lah.
Educator is
plus I don't think they put much effort because their faculty very near to library, so
After the class, they went to the library.
So you mean that the student who studying at library is the student nearby
Faculty
the
nearby.
faculty?
Faculty.
No wonder.
Before they get to
now
the
I
college.
I drop back my word.
College.
Take back my
Take back my word.
faculty computer science is near to the library.
Actually, it's quite far. It's quite far. That's why we cannot go often. I think we never go. I agree to both of you guys. Say that the interview that you guys do give a lot of benefits to them. I just want to add some more. I think in the interview I can see that most of them like maybe just hang out at the library, in a sense, not just for studies. I asked them what you doing here. They just said they just want to hang out with their friends. Maybe not laughing or talking very much, but maybe play games, but in a very good conditions because they are in the aircon room. So they just use that as their reason to stay at the library.
Okay, so how about the challenge if they study at the library? Anyone have
I think the
Ask
challenge,
or-
the challenge is the stairs.
What?
Okay.
The what?
the what?
The
Can you
I
elaborate
beg your
more?
pardon.
Can you elaborate more?
For me lah, the challenge to go study at library is the stairs, because we
Is
need
the
to climb
stairs?
we need to climb the stairs. And
Oh,
this
the
is-
stairs.
Okay.
Count the stairs.
Yes. No, no need to
No
count
need to count.
because it's so many. You will lose for your count.
I think we already
A little bit
Okay.
sidetracked right now. Just focus at our topic.
For me, I think personally, the challenges is they want to study at library and we want to disturb them.
Just try their time.
Yes, it's quite challenging because some of them they don't want to cooperate with us, and only a few of them that want
Willing to-
willing to be interviewed.
because some of them are focusing their studies really focused. I mean that
So
They don't want to be disturbed.
they wanted to be disturbed.
That's one of the challenge.
But I asked them besides study they do assignment at library because the library have the computers right and the internet was so fast than other college.
Property.
Okay, Zuhail, you want to add up?
So I think library is quite a good place to study actually. It's not quite challenging actually, but it's quite challenging for us student of computer science. Okay, but I think it's quite a good place to study as we can study there without any disturbance like noise or noises, and the place is quite comfortable too, air conditioning.
Okay, do you feel like difficult? I mean, like, how do we have to interview them? We can go straight to them and just interview them because it will disturb bother other students, right, in the library.
Some of them I went to interview them, but they do not want to be interviewed because they in a hurry. So that's the problem for me, and I need to ask another person to interview.
So that's the difficulty lah.
Yeah. Another thing that I asked them how often they go to the library, they say in a week they say about 4 times.
4 times
times
a
a
week. Oh, that's a lot.
That's a lot. So the benefit they gain is like the assignment complete in time, and they can get more references, and their knowledge are incredibly high than us are.
I totally agree with Muzani.
Because maybe by using the books we feel very satisfied with if we hold the book and keep like what
Changing the pages.
reading, like we touch the physical things instead of using the laptop and just scroll down like
Some of us prefer to read the book physically rather than the digital one.
Yes.
It's better that way.
So what improvement that you can get from the interview that you?
I think from the previous review session we have we said that the questions are not really good. So in this interview, I think I have improved more and giving more questions that they can answer. So what about you?
I can improve from my speaking language. I can approach to them and ask them in clearly and without the like okay.
okay, I think that because library is a place that we can just go to people and interview them, because the place is very quiet and like it's have its own rule. So we have behave on our way. Even we have our reason to interview them. I mean, like we have our reason, eager to interview them, even they don't want to be interviewed. So we have put effort more on that particular thing to interview them.
Yes, I totally agree because yes, like Moise says, the library has a strict rule regarding the users. But in this interview, you can see that you guys can approach more respondent in a more ethical ways. It's not like very disturbing to other people, but it's just smoothly just approach a person and just ask for an interview. So I think that's a nice way to approach for an interview. So that's the major improvement that I can see. So what about you guys?
I think maybe we should interview them before they enter the library, before they ever starting studying. So I think they will agree to be interviewed that way, rather than be interviewed in the middle of the studies.
Yeah, you need it. I can agree more.
Okay.
So you only agree?
Yes.
Okay. So we can end to end. So we can
Kan
close up.
sama-sama begitu, Faizlah.
Okay, I think we have discussed on the weakness and the strength and any improvement that we have done. So I think that's all for our review session. So I think thank you for all.
Cooperation in LAX after 5.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Okay, night.